Sorry that cut off there, guys. It was my alarm went off on my phone. I'd used my phone at video. As I was saying, she's mysterious at best. And that wee locust is sitting there and it's all mangled and everything, but it's still alive. I said it's nae back legs, it's half dead and it's walking about like Quasimodo. You'd have thought the spider would have done something to it then, but she's just no even interested in the slightest. Can't understand why. I can't get down any further because she'll go for me. I can't even lift her. I dare not even lift her. The guys in the shop that I go to Affy, Pro Exotic in Greenock, if I ever take it to him, he just lifts her, he just picks her right up, she doesn't bother, but anytime I put my hands near her, she just pure jumps at me and tries to bite me. I don't know whether it's the way I'm trying to lift her or whatever, but she's quite plump, right enough. And she is getting big, she's getting a big baby. But she just, for the life here and for the love of her, she's just no interested in eating this locust at all. Go on, Hazel, get it. I wish she would just grab it the new man while I've got the video going. A wee bit of excitement for you. She doesn't even look the slightest due a shed or anything. I mean, looking at her from the back, there's not even a baldy bit or nothing on her. She's quite plump. Go on, Hazel, get it in. Get it, hurry up. Go and get it. That's your dinner. You need to start eating, you know. Come on, you get it. You're a big girl. She does look interested in it, but I can't understand her sometimes. She does eat the crickets though. It takes her a long time to even bother with them. I did feed her with a mouse one day, that's on YouTube, and she didn't that nae bother. It doesn't matter what insects I put in, she's no interested in them. Come on, do something. No. I don't know what her story is. A vegetarian spider. I think that's what I've got in my hands. We scientists would love you. Want to know why you eat mice and you attack me, but you'll no touch a locust. You've been to eat insects, you. Hurry up, go for it. If you get the taste for it again, you'll like them. You used to love them. You're like a wee broody teenager. She's gorgeous, but she's just not having it. Oh well, I think we'll just leave it at that, guys, because it doesn't look as if she's going to do nothing with this locust at all. Well, so get it. She's just not having it. Yep, she's not into it at all. Push my luck here, she'll end up running at me. I've got the camera as low as I possibly can here. Yep. Alright, guys. I'll leave it at that, because she's not going to bother. I'll get you later. Bye bye.